This question says, which gear rotates fastest? Is it the red gear A, the blue gear B, or the purple gear C? Now, to answer this question, we need only to consider the relationship between the rotational speed and the number of teeth of meshed gears. And that's that the rotational speed omega is inversely proportional to the number of teeth. So before we continue, let's mark this green gear here as gear D, and note that gear D and gear A are directly meshed. So we can start by comparing these two gears. So because the number of teeth in A is less than that, as in D, we know that the rotational speed of A will be greater than the rotational speed in D. And we can see that gear B is connected to the same shaft as gear D, which means the rotational speeds of gears B and D will be the same. And if we know that the rotational speed of A is greater than that of D, then we also know that the rotational speed of A is greater than that of gear B. So now we need to only consider the relative speed of gear C. And we can do that by applying the same principle. Again, we know that the rotational speed of the gear is inversely proportional to the number of teeth. And we see that gears B and C are directly meshed. So again, because the number of teeth of gear B is less than that as for C, we can say that the rotational speed of B is greater than that of C. Now let's remember, we know B and D are traveling at the same speed, and we said that A is traveling faster than B and D. So if C is traveling slower than B, then we know that A is rotating with the highest speed, and therefore the correct answer is A.